What we have is the bottom feeder. And the idea is to provide a stable platform with a lot of leverage for lifting. The key to this system is that it articulates in the X and the Y direction, so we have this and this, so that the quartering sea state cannot rack the structure. And that gives it the flexibility to work, to be out there in 10 or 12 foot seas or worse, and not have to run from a particular sea state when we're working. So it gives you a lot of lift flexibility because you have multiple lines. You can upend, you can level because you're not stuck with just one block, and you don't have the instability of a crane boom over the side of one vessel because both the barges are carrying the load. So that's what we're calling the bottom feeder, new improved lift system.